So bro, I feel like matagal na akong hindi nakapag-video like this. So I thought I'd check back in with you and see how you're going. I feel like I'm not happy with this setup. So ayusin ko lang sandali. Kuha siguro ako ng pagpatungan ng camera. I'll be back. Alright, I hope that is better. So as you can tell, nasa ibang location ako ng bahay for my stretching and for this video, just to mix it up a bit. Anyway bro, I hope you are doing okay. Kung ito po yung first video na napapanood nyo from my channel, then welcome. So today I really just wanted to talk about how I was feeling this morning. So pagkagising ko kanina, medyo tinatamad ako gumalaw. Medyo gloomy yung weather today, Sunday. So parang sabi ko, you know what? Parang gusto ko lang mag-chill today and not do anything. I know, medyo sayang yung araw, obviously. Pero I still have my days na parang minsan gusto ko lang walang gawin. Hindi ko alam kung normal ba yun or what. Sana hindi lang ako ganun. Please, sana may kasama ako. Well, anyway, so yeah. Pagkagising ko, wait lang. So, habang kinikwentuhan ko kayo, try ko na rin mag-stretch ng konti, okay? So, bear with me. So, yeah, kaninang umaga, pagkagising ko, okay naman yung tulog ko, no? Okay naman, goods naman. Kaya lang pagkagising ko, parang tinatamad lang talaga ako gumalaw. And, so today's Sunday. Usually, nag-gym ako ng Saturdays and Sundays. Pero yesterday, hindi ako nakapag-gym because I needed to be somewhere else. I needed to do something, so hindi na ako nakapag-gym. And then today, paggising ko, parang sabi ko, parang tinatamad ulit ako mag-gym today. Pero you know what? Bumangon ako. You know, I did my usual routine. Coffee, chill lang sandali, and then sabi ko, you know what? I might as well. Ginising na ako today. Binigyan na naman ako ng panibagong opportunity to hopefully improve myself, and ayoko naman sayangin yung araw. So, okay, nagpunta ako sa gym, and you know what? I had a great workout, bro. Like, hindi ko akalain. Kasi nung hindi pa ako nag-warm up, naglalakad pa lang ako papuntang gym. Parang iba yung feeling ng katawan ko kasi, I don't know dude, parang feeling ko lang pagod ako. Alright. Pwede naman mapagod, di ba? Anyway, mamaya na magsistretch, I feel. Magkwentuhan na lang muna tayo. Since hindi ako napag-gym kahapon, parang sabi ko, parang nawala yung momentum, you know? Kasi, pagsanay ako nag-workout, gusto ko like hindi nabibreak yung routine ko. Kasi, so like, ayoko sanang nabibreak yung routine ko. But, you know what? It's just a matter of being adaptive. Kasi, hindi naman laging on time, on schedule lahat ng gagawin ko sa buhay. And, so before, parang gusto ko kasi na pagplanado ko na ganun na lahat ng mangyayari. You know, parang hindi ako masyado nag-iiwan ng room for change, room for error. Parang pag sinabi ko na, or nasa isipan ko, okay, this is how it's gonna go. Step 1, 2, 3. Ito yung oras ng workout ko. And then after that, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. Nasanay ako ng ganun. Parang ganun yung expectation ko most of the time sa sarili ko. And that is what I practice. Ganun yung usual days ko, di ba? Pero sometimes, pag hindi nangyayari yung gusto kong mangyari, nagiging irritable ako. Parang it annoys me so much. Pero more recently, parang mas sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, you know what bro, not everything is going to be perfect. And you just have to deal with it. You just have to accept it. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng there's always going to be something to complain about, 'di ba? Nothing is ever going to be perfect, or I am never going to be 100% ready to do something. Sometimes you just have to do it. Sabi nga ng Nike, 'di ba? Or Nike, however you want to say it, just do it, bro. Just get it done. It's simple to say, pero obviously minsan talaga mahirap i-practice. Like for me, I still have days na tinatamad ako gumalaw, 'di ba? Even though I've been working out for years now, may mga araw pa rin na tinatamad ako, like just my usual mental resilience, my usual physical energy isn't there. May mga araw na ganun, you know? So like, I guess what I'm trying to say here, bro, is may mga araw talaga natatama rin tayo. And we really shouldn't we really shouldn't have those tamad days hold us back from really working on ourselves. We shouldn't let those days hold us back from reaching our goals or working on the things that we really want to work on. Kasi, dude, bad days are always going to come. Expectation na yan, 'di ba? They're always going to be there, just like how there is good and there's evil, 'di ba? Bad days are going to come, and sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na it is up to me on how I process yung mga learnings ko from my bad days. Kasi like this morning, for example, I mean, it's only midday. Pero sabi ko kanina, tinatamad ako gumalaw. And na-imagine ko lang kung hindi nga ako gumalaw, if I just stayed on the couch watching TV, eating whatever, parang sasabihin ko, dude, what am I doing? Parang sayang yung araw, di ba? So like, parang nilagay ko na yung sarili ko sa hypothetical future position na yun na wala akong ginawa. And I didn't like what I saw. So you know what, sabi ko, dude, that's not gonna happen. So mag-gym na lang ako. So I went to the gym. I had a great workout. Nung una medyo touch and go ng konti, parang sabi ko, you know what, tinatamad talaga ako. Pero I warmed up and I got my sets done, and now I feel like a proper G, Parang, dude, I feel awesome. So it just goes to show, bro, na minsan talaga tatama rin tayo. That's natural, okay? Natural na tama rin yung mga tao. Pero it is up to us to push through sa mga ganong feelings. Kasi I feel like yung sloth is one of the 7 deadly sins, 'di ba? Yung katamaran. And just like any other sins or whatever, ano yan natural na darating at papasok sa mga isipan natin yan, sa thoughts natin. And it is up to us whether we entertain those negative thoughts, 'di ba? Or ano yung papasok mo sa isipan mo. You know what? So parang importante kasi talaga on how you view certain things, and importante kung paano mo kausapin yung sarili mo. Kung sasabihin mo sa sarili mo na you're a loser, then I hate to break it to you, bro, you are going to be a loser. Pero kung sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na, okay, tinatamad ako right now, but let's see how I feel a little bit later, or tinatamad ako today, but tomorrow I'm going to try again. And nasa sayo na yun if kung paano mo gagawin yung mga, or how you're going to go about overcoming or finding different ways to push through those barriers or those challenges. Kasi barriers and challenges, they're put in place in front of us to challenge us para magkaroon tayo, maka-experience tayo ng some form of growth, 'di ba? Kasi if we don't challenge ourselves, if we do not put ourselves outside of our comfort zones, medyo mahirap magkaroon ng opportunities for growth. Kasi that's just how it is, bro. I didn't make this up. Okay, hindi ako nag-invento nito. That's just how it is. If you want to experience growth, then you have to find yourself in an uncomfortable situation. And you have to have the courage and be willing to go through these challenges and face through whatever it is that you need to face through, or kailangan ma-enjoy mo talaga yung process. Kasi without having the ability to enjoy the process, then dude, mahirap makuha yung resulta if ever makukuha mo. Kasi yung resulta naman, like, it's not just, hindi naman yun nangyayari like sa isang snap lang ng fingers, diba? Like, you actually have to work on things in order to see results. Classic example, for example, like, if you want to be a valedictorian, if you want to be a high-performing student sa school, then obviously you do certain things in order to achieve that. Hindi naman, unless na lang kung natural genius ka or whatever, right? Pero if you're not natural, kung hindi ka gaano ka-talented, you have the ability to work hard. Yun lang yun. Diba? Sure, iba-iba tayo ng natural talents natin, iba-iba tayo ng strengths and weaknesses, but isang constant sa mundong ito is lahat tayo may 24 oras sa isang araw, and it really is up to us on how we choose to spend those hours. And dude, I understand marami tayong iba-ibang obligations, responsibilities sa buhay. That is why I'm saying na nasa sa atin na yon on how we go about navigating those things, di ba? Hindi naman kasi iba-iba tayo ng situation, bro, And the things that I can do or the things that you can do, ikaw lang makakagawa niyan kasi, hawak mo naman yung oras mo. And I guess what I'm trying to say is, perhaps we should start taking better control or better manage our time. Diba? I cannot speak for others. I can only really speak for myself. And, kung minsan talaga, like, I just try and maximize the time that I have. Because if I don't, I start feeling bad about myself. Parang minsan sasabihin ko, oh dude, sinayang mo oras mo, you wasted your day, nakaupo ka lang, nakatambay ka lang. It's like, it's not a good feeling for me. And kasi bro, like, one more thing, right? Like doing things that you don't necessarily want to do at the moment, pero alam mong kailangan mong gawin. That builds discipline, self-discipline. And dude, self-discipline is very important. It's a very underrated trait or characteristic. Kasi, sure, minsan makahanap ka ng motivation to do something. May mga moments or random spurts of motivation and, parang sabi mo, okay, I'm ready, let's go. Pero, what's going to happen on days na hindi ka ready? Or what is going to happen on days na you don't feel 100% motivated? Diba parang mag-back down ka na lang and you let, your fears and your insecurities take over. Parang sabihin mo lang, okay, I'm gonna let you guys win today and I'm just going to balik na lang ako sa kama or, just stay on the couch. Bro, those days are going to come. Pero, as I said, those days are going to come. Pero ang mas importante is you still have more good days than bad ones. And as long as you're having more good days, I suppose, then it's not so bad. It's not so bad. It can get worse, is what I'm trying to say. And kung sa ngayon pa lang nagrereklamo na ako na hindi ko gustong gawin yung mga bagay na alam kong kailangan kong gawin because of X, Y, Z reasons, then what is going to happen? Anong mangyayari sa akin kung dumating talaga yung panahon na I actually have to do something? Pag dumating yung moment na, okay, this is it, I need to do it, parang magkakaroon kaya ako ng, mahanap ko kaya yung courage for me to do it, whatever it is that I need to do, kung ngayon pa lang, tatamarin na ako, kung kailan I have all my needs, kung kailan naman talaga okay lang ako, tatamarin na ako at this point. Paano pa pag mas adverse yung situation ko? Paano pa pag mas marami akong face na responsibilities or hardships. So bro, as I said, it builds self-discipline and it builds your character up. Mas nagiging resilient ka sa mga nangyayari sa externalities mo. Because bro, the world is not sunshine and rainbows, diba? As Rocky said. It is a cold, dark place. Diba? May duality kasi hindi lang naman yan just one thing. It's good and it's evil at the same time. And it really is up to you. If you want to change your life, it really is up to you on how you perceive certain things. If you're going to fill your mind with negative thoughts kasi you only choose to see the negative things, then everything else is going to be negative for you. But if you choose to see the good things, you choose to action on the positive things, that's also going to shape how you see your everyday things. That is going to help shape your reality, how you interact with the universe. Parang mga ganong vibes, bro. I hope that makes sense na. So, anyway, as I said, I had a great workout and I would have felt like a loser if I just stayed on the couch this morning. So, I'm pretty happy with myself today. And I'm glad that I turned it around. So, bro, for you, if you're having a bad day, if you feel like you're having a bad week or a bad month, hopefully things lighten up for you soon, bro. And I guess I want to tell you that maybe, just maybe, you have more of an influence on how you shape your reality much more than you think. And I leave it up to you on how you go about doing that. Pero ang sinasabi ko sa'yo is, it is possible, bro. Nasa mindset mo lang yan. It's up to you, man. Alright? Whatever it is that you want to do in your life or that you want to change with yourself, then figure out what it is that you need to do. Then start slow. Chill lang. Nothing too crazy, man. Kasi when you start off going too crazy, 0 to 100 real quick, baka masyado kang madaling ma-fatigue. You know, kasi hindi pa naman ganun kasanay yung system mo. Hindi pa ganun kasanay yung physical, mental, and emotional being mo. So, baka ma-overwhelm ka ng konti. So, chill lang, bro. Pakunti-kunti lang. Diba? Say, for example, you want to start going to the gym, then go kahit sa bahay ka lang mag-umpisa. Freaking do like push-ups at home. 3 sets of 10 twice a week. You know, something like that. Basta, ganun lang. You don't have to necessarily follow that. Depende naman kasi sa situation mo or your fitness levels, diba? Whatever it is that you want to do, you can apply the principles that I'm talking about. If you're studying for a master's degree, if you're studying for a PhD or whatever, I mean, if you're studying for those things, I feel like you already have your own sort of groove, right? Kasi that's no joke. That takes a lot of hard work. So, but if you're in a rut at the moment, hopefully, you find some inspiration in this, and hopefully you start seeing yourself in a more positive light. So, dude, I think I'll leave it there. Yeah. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my Sunday, and I hope you have a good week. I'm hoping for a good week, but we'll see how we go. No matter what happens, bro, kung ano man ang challenge na ilagay sa harapan natin ng universe, kung ano mang challenge ang ilagay sa harap natin ni God, there will be reasons for these, and I'm interested to see what I learned this week. And, if I learn something new, bro, I'll share it with you. So, all right. Catch you later, man. Take it easy, bro. But work hard too. Okay? That's it. See ya!